experts, Mitessh Thakkar and Sudarshan Sukhani, are joining in. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Sudarshan, do you think that this pullback could be sustainable, or do you think that it could get sold into, as has been the case for the last many days?
Yeah, good morning, Sonia. See, there are 2 points. One is that the pullback has probably more legs on the upside. So today, traders should be looking to buy any small dip or intraday consolidation and keep a stop under 16,950. So that's a trade we can take on the long side. And to your question, whether it is whether it will be sustainable, I have big doubts, which means that towards 17,200, you should also take profits and get out.
Mitessh, would you agree with that view? Good morning, gentlemen. What's your sense?
Good morning, Prashant. I've been suggesting that the markets will possibly chop around, do some base building in this range of 16,800 to about 17,150. I think that process is still going on. I would still want to see the index clear 17,120, 150 zones before going aggressively long. But till then, I think, we have not been shorting it. In fact, taking mild or minor long positions closer to about 16,820, 840 zones and keeping a stop below 16,750. So I think it's a market which could stop falling, but a reversal will happen only once we capture and start getting past 17,150.
Okay, all right. Good morning, Mitessh as well as Sudarshan. Mitessh, you go first. What are the individual picks you have for us?
Yeah. Morning, Nigel. I have more of buy calls today. 3 buys to a sell. On the buying side is a couple of FMCG names. HUL had a good candlestick price and volume action yesterday. So buy here with a stop below 24.90 for targets of 24.60 on the upside. Pidilite, after a good decline, is showing some signs of reversal. So buy here with a stop at 23 or just below 23.50 and look for a target of 24.20. And Godrej Consumer is a buy as well. Keep a stop at 9.49, look for targets of 9.85. And one sell call is on Havells. Here I would recommend selling with a stop at 11.86 for targets of 11.40.
Okay, and Sudarshan, how about you? What will your stock ideas be for the day?
Well, it's also more on the long side, but Sonia, you also understand, this market can turn down on a dime. It takes only 10 seconds for it to say, okay, no more further upside. So traders must be aware of that. But Ultratech Cement is a buying opportunity with a stop under 7,090. Aditya Birla Fashion is my only intraday short. You look at the chart, it's a big bear market there. Sell with a stop above 220. And like Mitessh, I also have Hindu Unilever, which is a buying opportunity. Had a big range yesterday on the upside. Buy with a stop under 25.50. Finally, I have a positional buy, that is Concor. Now, Concor went down, fell, and then for the last 2 months, it's in a trading range. So to that extent, it's outperforming the Nifty by not falling. It's a good quality stock. You can look at it as a positional buy with a stop under 570.
All right, gentlemen, good speaking with the both of you. Appreciate you joining in. And we'll speak again for those 9-10 calls a little later. We'll take a very quick commercial break, but we'll come back with Vasudev Banerjee, analyst at ICICI Securities. He's going to discuss the latest developments in the auto space. And of course, he'll outline his top picks there for us. So that's the conversation we focus on next. 4 minutes to go for the pre-open session. Stay with us.